Welcome. I am Dr. S. Thangamani, Head Department of BCom Finance, the courses of Cost Accounting. I am explain about the title of Importance of Costing. What do you mean by costing? The technique and process of ascertaining the cost. What is ascertain? To find something. Costing refers to the body of principle and rules for ascertaining the cost of a product or service. The technique and process of costing depend upon the nature of industry, type of product, and method of production. What are the four processes of cost accounting? One is classifying, second one is recording, third one is allocation, fourth one is reporting. Importance of objectives of cost accounting. Find out the total cost and cost per unit of various product manufacture, to disclose the portion of different elements, to provide necessary data for fixing selling price, to supply estimates of cost on the basis of historical data for the preparation of tenders and quotations, etc., to identify sources of wastage and losses in the business, to help in the preparation of budget and implementation of budgetary control. Then advantages of cost accounting. Helps in decision making. Cost accounting helps in decision making. For example, whether to make a product or buy a product, whether to accept or reject an export order. Helps in fixing prices. Cost accounting helps in fixing prices. It provides detailed cost data of each product, which enables fixation of selling prices. Formulation of future plans. It is a system of foresight on basis of past experience. It helps in the formulation of defined future plans in quantitative terms. Then fourth advantages of cost accounting, avoidance of wastage. Cost accounting find the sources of losses or inefficiencies such as spoilage, leakage, inadequate utilization of plant. By appropriate control measures, this wastage can be avoided or minimized. Prevention of frauds. Scope for manipulation and fraud is manipulated. Next one, differences, distinctions between financial accounting and cost accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting reveals the net profit or loss of a business as a whole. Then cost accounting difference. Cost accounting reveals the cost, profit or loss of each product and process. Financial accounting records the external transaction with outsiders. What is external transaction? External transaction include third-party purchase or sale of goods. Cost accounting difference. Cost accounting records the internal transaction. What do you mean by internal transaction? Internal transaction include internal tax transfer from one department to another, charge of depreciation, amortization of prepaid expenses, etc. Then third difference of financial accounting. Financial accounting costs are recorded in the aggregate. In cost accounting, costs are recorded in the unit basis also. Financial accounting difference. Financial accounting is compulsory. Cost accounting is compulsory only for certain industries. In other case, it is optional. Then another fifth difference, financial accounting stocks are valued at cost or market price, whichever is lower. Then cost accounting stocks are valued at cost. No distinction is made between fixed and variable cost. Distinction is made between fixed and variable cost. That is cost accounting difference. Another one, element of cost. Total cost. There are three variations. One is material and another one labor. Third one other expenses. Material, there are two divisions. Direct material, indirect material. Labor, there are two divisions. Direct labor and another one indirect labor. Other expenses, there are two divisions. Direct expenses and another one indirect expenses. All the indirect expenses means overheads. There are three division. Factory overheads, another one administration overheads, then last one selling and distribution overheads. How to calculate prime cost? Prime cost equal to direct materials plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Factory cost equal to prime cost plus factory overheads. Cost of production equal to factory cost and administration overheads. Cost of sales equal to cost of production and selling and distribution overheads. Thank you.